Welcome to our journey through the history of Libya's presidents. From the monarchy to modern governance, each leader has left an indelible mark on the nation's story. Our journey begins with King Idris I, Libya's first monarch after gaining independence in 1951. Known for his moderate policies, King Idris aimed to establish stability in the newly formed kingdom. In 1969, Muammar Gaddafi seized power in a coup, ending the monarchy and establishing the Libyan Arab Republic. Gaddafi's charisma and revolutionary fervor captivated the nation. During his reign, Gaddafi nationalized Libya's oil industry, significantly boosting the economy. However, his authoritarian rule and support for international terrorism tarnished his legacy. In 2011, widespread protests erupted, leading to the ousting and eventual death of Muammar Gaddafi. Libya entered a period of transition and uncertainty. Mustafa Abdul Jalil emerged as a key figure during the transitional period, leading the National Transitional Council in 2011. His efforts aimed to stabilize the country post-Gaddafi. Following elections in 2012, Mohammed Magariaf assumed the presidency of the General National Congress. His tenure was marked by attempts to rebuild Libya's fractured institutions. Nouri Abdul succeeded Magariaf but faced challenges amidst political division. His presidency was short-lived, reflecting Libya's ongoing struggle for unity. Since 2014, Aguila Saleh Issa has led the House of Representatives, striving to navigate Libya's complex political landscape and foster stability. As Libya continues its journey, each president has played a unique role in shaping its history. From aspirations of democracy to the realities of governance, their legacies endure, reminding us of the challenges and aspirations of the Libyan people. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more insights into world history. Thank you for watching.